Obo Center Obuka Ose Hatene. Introduction. Corruption, a malaise afflicting society since immemorial, has evolved in its tactics and manifestations. The tools used to combat this vice have evolved with current technology at the forefront of this battle. Historical overview of corruption. From the history of primordial civilizations to contemporary political machinery, corruption has consistently found ways to infiltrate systems. In each era, it donned a new guise and demanded innovative countermeasures. The digital revolution. As the Internet weaves the world into an intricate web of connectivity and mobile technology enables instantaneous communication, the dynamics of information dissemination transform radically. Technology's dual-edged sword. Curiously, technology is both an enabler of corruption and the most formidable adversary. The balance shifts as advancements refine exposure tools. The role of social media. Platforms for viral cat videos taken overnight are also potent grounds for whistleblowing. Crowdsourced investigations utilizing the collective intelligence of netizens are a new phenomenon. Cyber surveillance and forensics. Each digital action leaves a trace. When meticulously scrutinized, these footprints reveal concealed transgressions, making concealment arduous. Blockchains. Decentralized ledgers promise an era in which transparent and tamper-proof financial transactions pose significant challenges to financial malefactors. Biometric systems. The human face or fingerprint becomes an indisputable identifier, swiftly pinpointing malefactors, particularly in large crowd scenarios. Artificial intelligence and pattern recognition. The potential of AI to predict and thereby preempt corrupt practices by analyzing gargantuan datasets is a genuine paradigm shift. Drones and surveillance cameras. However, the skies were no longer accessible. Drones and cameras provide aerial oversight, peering into previously unobservable terrain. Digital journalism and investigative reporting. In the age of digital journalism, encrypted platforms enable fearless journalists to receive information from sources, ensuring that the truth is not stifled. Decentralized platforms for whistleblower. Anonymity is sacrosanct. Emerging platforms offer this protection, ensuring revelation without retribution. Open data initiatives. When data becomes public, it paves the way for a transparent system, allowing vigilante citizens to keep checks and balances. The rapid evolution of legislation and regulation. Technology requires robust legal frameworks that ensure ethical deployment while curbing misuse. Case studies. The Panama Papers and WikiLeaks are emblematic of how digitized information can shake up global power structures, exposing the venality of the elite. The ethics of technological surveillance. A delicate balance between surveillance and respect for individual privacy is sought. The discourse on rights and oversight remains vibrant. Tech giants and anti-corruption. Multinationals wielding enormous power in the digital realm have played a significant role in fostering integrity-based platforms. The role of NGOs. NGOs armed with technology can mobilize movements, propagate transparency tools, and collaborate on technology projects to uproot corruption. Public response to technological interventions. Public trust in these tools, along with active civic participation, has propelled the success of anti-corruption measures. Global collaboration against corruption. Unified digital platforms and international tech summits underscore the collaborative spirit of the global fight against corruption. Future technologies in the pipeline. The Horizon teams with promises of predictive analytics and quantum computing, heralding a future in which encryption and exposure are even more sophisticated. The economic implications of reduced corruption. Diminish corruption, invariably boost investor confidence, promote equitable wealth distribution, and invigorate economies. The societal benefits of exposing corruption fortifies democratic institutions and enhances society's trust quotient. Challenges in implementing technology. While technology holds vast potential, barriers, such as misuse and technological literacy, persist. Conclusion. As the world grapples with the menace of corruption, Technology emerges as an indispensable ally, heralding a future where transparency is not just an ideal but a tangible reality.